Tired of dull, dry skin? Discover the COSRX Snail Mucin Repairing Serum, your secret weapon for a radiant glow. This incredible K-beauty gem boasts 96.3% snail secretion filtrate, working wonders to deeply hydrate and revitalize tired skin. Say goodbye to fine lines and hello to plump, supple skin that feels as amazing as it looks. Its lightweight, fast-absorbing formula means no sticky residue, just instant comfort and long-lasting hydration. We love that this powerful ingredient is ethically sourced, ensuring no harm comes to our slimy friends. If you're searching for an effective serum to combat dryness and aging, this is it. Ready to transform your complexion? Click the Amazon link in the description to get yours today. Experience the magic of COSRX and unlock your healthiest skin ever. You won't regret adding this to your routine.